This morning fans expecting Dermot O'Leary to be hosting Today as Normal got a shock when they switched on. The 49-year-old, who normally fronts the Friday show alongside Alison Hammond, was replaced on the program. Instead, Alison fronted this morning's End of the Week edition alongside the show's newest host Craig Doyle. She didn't make any reference to Dermot being away as the show began today, focusing instead on dancing wildly alongside Craig. The Irish presenter, 51, revealed he would be hosting this morning again after spotting a cardboard cutout of Alison earlier in the week. He posted it online writing, "Hey, so just popped down to Brighton. Thought I would pop into my cousin to say hi. And look who he has in the window to greet me. Hammond. I'm with her on Friday. See you then." One appreciative fan tweeted when he appeared on This Morning Today, "Craig is like a breath of fresh air on #ThisMorning, great presenter, thumbs up." Another added, "Petition for Craig to become the future presenter." Alison and Craig were first united when they filled in for Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield on the Maybank holiday. He started out on BBC local radio and became well known to rugby fans as lead anchor of Premiership and European rugby. The star been at BT Sport as rugby presenter since 2013 and also fronted their MotoGP coverage from 2014 until 2018. He has presented on a number of BBC shows, appearing on the holiday programme and tech show Tomorrow's World. Craig has 4 children with wife Doone, whom he married in 2001.